I used to smoke bangi. I'll be honest. He's the one who stopped me. We used to sometimes go to the clubs. We meet, talk, we have a few drinks together. But Raila was the guy who stopped me. I used to smoke bangi. I'll be honest. He's the one who stopped me. He was against me smoking. I stopped. He was against me drinking heavily. I stopped. Because I knew what this guy wanted. And he told me, why don't you look at the picture ahead? See what you unaona tu sahi. Look at the picture ahead. Where this country is moving to. And he made me think in a totally different thing. You know, the way somebody can make you think, change your life. He changed my life. My boss never stopped me from going to see Raila. He said, you want to go and see him? You go and see him. Because he knew. My boss even knew. He said, one of your best friends is this guy. Because he heard me talking at the club even when I talked to Raila, and Raila is giving me advice and he's listening to it. He told me so many times that, you know, this guy is your friend. And listen to him, he's telling you the truth. You know, when this guy is telling you the truth, they're thinking in a different manner. But they know. And my boss was the one who told me that this guy, please, don't try to cross his path. I've consulted with him so many times on things, you know, as a friend. But he would not lose his head. He'll just try to tell me that this is not right. This is the way it is supposed to be. And when you start thinking, when you're not drunk, you start thinking what he told me, and then you say, hey, now hii jamaa alikuwa anafikiria wapi? What was he thinking that he advised me like this? And whatever he has advised me has come true.